Thank you.
And everybody will get 15 minutes. Each member will get 15 minutes, including discussion. Okay.
I welcome everybody. Good evening. I am Ahmed Al-hunaiyyan, and my colleague Rana Al-Haji, she is not here, would like to present this research, which is a preliminary research of the future one. So we just thought about submitting this to a conference in order to receive any feedbacks. It is about the use of mobile devices and to understand mobile devices and its capabilities and native functions among instructors in higher education. Everybody knows that there is a rapid growth of mobile technology, which could be an asset to education. A lot of people use mobile, students, instructors, but we rarely know how it is really being used, whether for administrative purposes or for education. So we thought there is also a unique, as we know, everybody is connecting to campuses, to course materials, but little known as what is the benefit out of this. Are we really utilizing this in a great manner? Do software designers understand these requirements? And in Kuwait, there is a lack of studies. Although mobile, it's really being used. I mean, everybody may own 2 or 3 mobiles, and the usage is over 200%. That was in 2015, and we believe it's even more now. And we are talking about smartphones, not just a telephone. And you may know that Kuwait is a very small country, population is 4.1 million, and the language is Arabic. Why mobile devices in higher education? It's a very important question. With the advent and the developments of the networking technologies and let's say now although mobile devices, smartphones are really expensive, but there are versions that can be bought by people, with less functionalities. But everybody can own mobile devices. If we talk about 20 years ago, it was difficult for people to own a mobile, even 10 years. Now I believe it is. We're talking about if we're talking about poor societies, that's another story in which this is not the issue of investigation here. Do we believe that we should, as people, as developers, as educators, integrate these technologies into student services? A lot of students in campuses now, they go into the website. A lot of them, they hate to have their laptops with them to access their grades, to access any notifications, calendars. So what about mobile devices? Now, we are not talking about the point of view, and this is small research. It's not about point of view of students. We are talking about instructors. So the purpose of this study is, or the aim of the study, to understand instructor usage, perceptions of mobile devices, functions, and native capabilities. A lot of instructors, they use mobile devices for fun, for personal use. Now, what about the functionalities? When I say native capabilities or functionalities, I mean the functions of the mobile. Camera, calendar, email, notes, translation, all of these things. Are they really being utilized, or they use only one function? A lot of people use only WhatsApp. They don't even use an email. So we use as evaluation tool a questionnaire, which is a simple questionnaire, was divided into 2 parts, gathering information about instructors and the questions related to investigate their use of mobile native functions and capabilities. And here are the, of course, there are 48 instructors. The college, we are about 400 instructors, so 48 instructors, 18 males and 30 females participated in this investigation. Results, as you see, these are most of the functions and capabilities, and I could say that alarm clock is 94%. Everybody look at the watch. Everybody see what time is it. If we talk about also an important aspect is the social networking, 88%. The camera, 88%. Sending email, 88%. If you look at games, 38%. I mean, again, we are not talking about students. But I could say from this, even calls, see, call 82%. It's a telephone, but it's 82%. SMS, 69. Why? Because the WhatsApp is 82. So people now not sending a lot of SMSs. They mainly depend on cheaper. These are some of the like the differences between male and female in such uses, and whether there is a significant difference or no significant difference. Okay, that's also, we're talking about gender differences here. So I will not explain that into details, it's in the proceedings. So we investigate all of these, like whether social network, e-learning, and photos, albums, camera, alarm. Now, what can we understand of this analysis? This revealed that instructors welcome the use of mobile phones for campus activities, and also they indicated that they would like to use it if it comes, or if we develop or deploy the e-learning system at the college. Now, what is important out of this? This is a preliminary research, because there are software developers who will develop mobile applications for the college. So they wanted to understand most of the functions that are used in order to emphasize on those functions and capabilities, and to understand the perceptions of faculty. So this is just a software engineering process, understanding, and then design, and then developments of mobile application. This is very simple presentation that I have, very simple research. Hopefully will continue into the development of the mobile application for students and instructors at the college. And that's it for me. If there is any question.